Hello everyone. Today I want to talk to you about one of the most pressing issue of our time, that is global warming. It is a topic that we can no longer afford to ignore because its effects are already being felt around the world and the future of our planet depends on the action we take today. What is global warming? At its core, global warming refers to the long term increases in Earth's average surface temperature due to human activities, particularly the release of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. These gases trap heat in the atmosphere, leading to a phenomenon known as the greenhouse effect, which is causing the planet to warm up at an alarming rate. For decades, our reliance on fossil fuels such as coal, oil, and natural gas has ever been the primary driver of this problem. The burning of these fuel for energy releases massive amounts of carbon dioxide, contributing significantly to the greenhouse effect. Deforestation, industrial processes, and agriculture practices are also play their part in emitting greenhouse gases. The impact of global warming. The consequences of global warming are not distant threats. They are helping right now. Around the world, we are witnessing more frequent and severe heat wave, floods, and drought. Glacier and ice caps are melting at unprecedented rates, contributing to rising sea levels. Coastal cities are facing increased flooding, and low lying islands are in danger of disappearing altogether. Global warming is also having a devastating impact on ecosystems and biodiversity. Many species unable to adapt to the changing climate are facing extinctions. Coral reefs, which are vital to marine life, are bleaching due to rising ocean temperatures, leaving them vulnerable to destruction. The human cost is also staggering. Agriculture is being affected by unpredictable weather patterns, threatening flood security and livelihoods. Water scarcity is becoming a growing concern as droughts worsen and more people are being displaced from their homes due to extreme weather events. Vulnerable population, especially in developing countries, are hit the hardest. What can we do now that we understand the gravity of the situation? The question is, what can we do about it? First, it is essential to reduce our carbon footprint. This means making conscious choice about the energy we consume, the transportation we use, and the products we buy. Moving away from fossil fuels and investing in renewable energy sources such as solar, wind, and hydropower can make a significant difference. We also need to protect and restore our forest, which act as the planet's lungs, absorbing carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. By supporting reforestation efforts and reducing deforestation, we can help slow down the effects of global warming. At the individual level, some small action matters, whether it's using energy efficient appliances, reducing waste, recycling, or supporting sustainable products. And companies, each of us has a role to play. Making informed decisions in our daily lives can collectively have a major impact. Policy and global action. However, individual action alone won't be enough. We need government, industries, and organizations to step up and take bold action. This includes investing in clean energy, setting ambitious carbon reduction targets, and holding polluting industries accountable. International cooperation is essential as climate change knows no borders. Global agreement like the Paris Agreement, are a step in the right direction, but more must be done to ensure that nations follow through on their commitments. So, here is a conclusion. In conclusion, global warming is a challenge that requires urgent attention and action. The consequences of inaction are too great to ignore, and the window of opportunity to make a meaningful difference is shrinking fast. But we are not powerless. By reducing our carbon footprint, advocating for policy changes, and supporting sustainable practices, we can fight back against global warming and ensure a livable future for generations to come. We have the knowledge, the tools, and the ability to make a change. Now it's our time for us to act. The future of our planet depends on the choices we make today. Thank you.